Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are good and completing your work on time. So, students, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is Who Has Seen the Wind. This is chapter 2 and part 2, because I told you part 1 was another chapter, Alligators Lost, and this is our part 2. Okay, so you will write part 2 also when we will write chapter 2. So, name of the poem is Who Has Seen the Wind. We will do the reading as well as we will do difficult words and the word meaning. So, this poem is written by Christina Rossetti. She is a poet of this poem. She has written the poem. Okay, so this is our poem. Everybody write on date, great task, and the day on the top as it is written, 12 May 2021, great task and the Wednesday. Okay, then we will start the reading. I will show you a video. So this is our video. So what is the name of the poem? I told you, who has seen the wind? What is the meaning of wind? Let me tell you in Hindi. Hawa. Have you seen the wind? I have not seen the wind. Any of you have seen the wind? No. We cannot see the wind. We can feel. We cannot see it. Okay, so nobody can see the wind. Okay, so we will read in this poem. Who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. So this is our poem. Okay, let us read the chapter. Let us read the chapter from here now. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. Nobody has seen the wind. Neither I nor you means neither you, not you, and not I. Okay, but when the leaves hang trembling, trembling means when the leaves are shaking, when leaves are moving, we can feel that wind is passing by. The wind is passing through, because the wind has passing through the leaves. That's why the leaves are trembling, leaves are shaking, leaves are moving. Okay, so nobody can see the wind, we can feel the wind. Next is, who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, bow down means bend down. When the wind is passing by, you can see the trees are bending down, towards down. Okay, bending down. So what can we say? What is there? Means the wind is passing by. We can see when leaves are moving, then when tree is bending down, then we can see that the wind is passing by. When our hair moves, then also we can feel that the wind is moving, the wind is passing through our hair. So we cannot see the wind, we can only feel the wind. Okay, this is our poem, and the poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Okay, so she is our poet. The person who writes the poem, that is called poet. Okay, so along with this reading, we will do the difficult words and the word meaning also. So let us start the difficult words. You all have to write in the notebook. Chapter 2, part 2, who has seen the wind? Difficult words. Number 1, leaves. 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 Number 2, passing. Passing. Number 3, hang. Hang. Number 4, bow. Number 5, neither. Neither. Not you, not me. Not one, not two. No one. Neither. 6 number, through. Through. 7 number, head, then as heads. 8 number, there. 9 number, seen, and the 10th number is tramp, link, trembling. So these are our difficult words. We will do word meaning also along with the difficult words. Small poem it is, so I have given both together. So word meaning, first word is passing through. What is the meaning of passing through? Going through a place. When wind is passing through the leaves are trembling. So going through a place. Number 2, what is the meaning of trembling? Trembling means shaking a little. Shaking when leaves are moving little bit, that is called trembling. Shaking. Okay. Number 3, bow down. What is the meaning of bow down? Means bend down. When something bend down towards the ground, that is called bend down. Number 4, neither. Neither means not the one or the other of two things of people. If you are having two things, like one ball is here, one ball is there, when you don't want anything, not one not other, that is called neither. Okay, so this is the meaning of neither. So these are our difficult words and the word meaning. You all have to do it and read the poem very carefully. Okay, so take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.